Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Kitty Blank. I am Mandy and today I will be sharing some theories with you guys about the supervillains mentioned by Bunex in the episode Time Tiger. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the first villain mentioned by Bunex was Dr. Sadness. I have two theories for this villain. My first theory is that I think it's Milan's father because when Milan's father was acclimatized into the mime, his face was very similar to Dr. Sadness, especially the mark under their eyes. So I think Milan's father will be acclimatized again in the future. And my second theory is that in future episodes we will be seeing a new character as a doctor and will be acclimatized into Dr. Sadness. I don't know, but it's just my theory. This acclimatized villain could also be Nino because we saw him in the ending scenes of this episode. Maybe something will happen in the future that will lead him to become Dr. Sadness. The second villain mentioned by Bunex was Eclipta Vanders. This picture is looking mostly like an alien invasion. So my theory about this is that in this episode we will be seeing Katnar and Ladybug using their space powers. And this episode doesn't seem to take place on Earth. And my other theory is that in future an alien researcher was acclimatized and he was transforming everyone into aliens. What do you guys think? The third villain mentioned by Bunex was the Twin Queens of Inner Dimensions. When I heard she saying Twin Queens, then these two girls, Arya sisters, came into my mind. So my theory is that these Twin Queens of Inner Dimension are Arya's sisters acclimatized. There are many reasons for this. Firstly, their hairs are brown and curly. Secondly, they had crowns similar to the crowns at their pajamas. And thirdly, they wear inverted colors. And lastly, of course, they are twins. The fourth villain mentioned by Bunex was Ignoblia. As Bunex said, she is the evil sister of Majestia. My theory is that Ignoblia is an evil villain without acclimatization. As we heard, we will be seeing New York Special Heroes again. It's possible that we will be seeing Ignoblia in that episode too. And possibly she will be joining hands with Shadowmoth or else acclimatized by Shadowmoth. The fifth and last villain mentioned by Bunex was Monsieur Rat. I thought it would be Mr. Ramier, the pigeon guy, but he has a magical charm now, so he couldn't be acclimatized again. Who knows if Mr. Ramier's future wife will be acclimatized into Monsieur Rat? It is possible, but it's just my theory. If you guys liked my theory, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and comment down what you guys think about it. Thank you for watching. Until then, goodbye.